Hi everyone, my name is Stefan and I'm one of the meditation teachers at PomExpert. And today I wanted to talk a little bit about effort and the amount of effort that we're using in meditation practice. I get that question a lot from my students, how much effort to make, how much is too much, how much is too little. And so one way I explain it is with a very tactile felt way of experiencing right effort. So if you grab yourself an object, you can use a pole or maybe a water bottle, something that you can easily hold with one hand that is not too soft. And so you grab the object and you squeeze it as hard as you can with your right hand or your left hand. And see what that feels like in your belly, in your chest. See the muscular effort, feel the muscular effort as you're squeezing the object. And then let go of the effort and drop the object. And feel that. Feel what it feels like to not make any effort. And we're going to do that one more time. So squeeze the object as hard as you can. Again, feeling into the belly, into the solar plexus, the muscles of the back, the face. Noticing what that feels like to make a lot of effort, a lot of concentration. And then just let it go. And not feeling any effort, completely relaxing. And we're going to do it a third time, and this time squeeze it really hard. And then soften the effort right to the point where you're still holding the object, but you're not making any effort to hold it up. It's the least amount of effort to still hold it, so you're not dropping it. You're still holding it, but it's very soft, very relaxed, very effortless way of holding it. And then see what that feels like in the belly and in the solar plexus. A very relaxed way of holding this object. And that's kind of the same felt experience that I'm trying to teach my students in meditation practice. So as you're sitting on the cushion or as you're doing walking meditation, that is the style, the amount of effort that I'd like students to practice with. So it's a very relaxed, very effortless way of practicing. If you do have any other questions about the right amount of effort or about your meditation practice, about issues that are coming up in meditation, or maybe you're totally new to meditation and you don't know what meditation is all about and you'd like to try it out, feel free to schedule a session with me on my calendar and I'd be happy to answer any of the questions that you might have. I hope to see you soon. Thanks.